Welcome back to our next video. Yeah, man. But there again, people. Yeah. First, want to thank all of my subscribers and for getting me to 1K subscribers. Yeah. Guys, just know some don't take none of you for granted. Alright. And I couldn't do it without Uno. Yeah. You couldn't do it without Uno. Alright? Yeah. So big up in yourself, guys. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna remove some cement off of the wall in the back room. The workman them did nasty up when them did a flash up the ceiling. Yo, you know why the workman them stay so, you know? Jaja. But who don't know what I talk about, you can probably check out the previous videos them when we did do leading up to this one so you can get a proper understanding. Especially if you're a new subscriber and you're just a tune in, alright? So just do that for me. Let's check out the older videos them and come back to this one. Alright? So you understand that one. Yeah. So this how me I work with. If you don't know what this is called a sand belt, right? Yeah. So I got the hardware and I tell the lady what my problem was with the wall and she said, you can try this out, right? I mean, it's gonna be a little bit hard because I'm manual, me I do it and I now use one of those electrical sanders, right? So somebody can try this, come tell her somebody try the black method and the black method never work out, right? So say, give this a try. Yeah, and I tell her, I say, yeah man, the black thing can work, you know, people. Don't get me wrong, you know, black method can work, right? But all right, let me show you. You see if you're a wall like this, right? So the noise. If you're a wall like this, the black method could have worked, right? Yeah, it can work with this. But my problem is with the wall in the back room is because them flash up. When they deal with the ceiling, them flash up on the wall. You have some thick droplets of the cement when they flash up the ceiling, right? So them thick, me I tell you. And so another local one them where you can brush off, right? Them no can brush off. And then again, because look on all these people. I'm safe and can't see this good. All right, they say this now. They say if I did something like this now, it'd be easy because look, right? So now it's easier for chip off, right? It's easier to chip off with the black. But the other room now have some thicker layers of the cement on it where we need something more rougher to get that off. Right? So that's the problem. So what me I gonna do now is me I go fix up the sand belt on a piece of board or something and they start rub down the one and see as best as possible what can work out. Because they start prime that room, right? But we did have to stop because the things them when you see when we paint over it, you gotta still see them, you gotta still see the flashing of them, right? So we need to remove all of that before we can finish prime up the wall. All right. So that me I gotta do today. So I gotta see if we can find some at least two pieces of board we can combine together and put the sand belt on. So hopefully we can find that right now. See, a lot of boards around here we can probably use. See one here. This could be one. Yeah, it's gonna work. Just need to find at least something like a little angle we can add on to it. Yeah, but this can work. So alright, this look like the size of my look, but can make it work. Sun I go in and out. I mean rain fall from somewhere here, so it's kind of dark up. So if I say we can at least start this before the rain come down. So peeps and watch how I go. So this is the sanding belt. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna cut just a little piece off of it and add it to the piece of board and then drill in some screws on it just to keep everything together. So now entering the back room. Yes, my peeps. So as you can see, we already start for prime the room already, but we did have to stop. Right, as you can see, I leave out the ear when I start priming because I realized this flashing up was going to be an issue, right? So as you can see, that wall is left unprimed because we need to rub it down first before we can prime it. And that's why it's been like this for the longest time because, you know, we never get to rubbing down the walls them, right?
But as I say, people, nothing happened before the time.
Man, me I telling the people say, wall them bad me I tell you. Look on that one. I'm sure that one. I don't want to look like bright. Watch it. Watch it, people. No black cannot get out. This, me I guarantee you that they could have rubbed so till black can't get out of this. So me I tell you, say, if we did continue, because you can see a prime, the wall, right? Prime. So, as you can see, say, when me start paint the room, yeah, it a go show up in here. Me I guarantee you that. Them I can't hide. Them here cannot be hidden. Right? So I can't live with this. I can always see it. It no matter. You see, because I see it now, when the room paint, I can always see it. Right? And enough of them. A lot of them. See there? Some big one. Right? They started flashing up when they flash up the ceiling and them flash. Them here now, me can't rub out. Right? But for the flashing up ones then, as you can see, and see, alright, see them there? Yeah. Now I'm gonna need the sun belt for rub down them here, right? It can be rubbed down. It would be better if we did have the electrical, the sander, right? But as it stands right now, don't have the electrical one, so I have to work with what I have, right? I have to work with the manual way, as we say, it I got rough, because the black method was rough when we did try it the last time.
So, I can start the rubbing here now. So, guys, see the sander here, this mega work with, right? I'm gonna try to rub it down as best as possible. I could see if it works. Alright, so now watch how I go. This really and truly look like a whole late thing, but makes sense for the start right now and see as far as we can go. You have a few of them local droplets here where it kind of stubborn, so you have to rub it a bit harder. You have to put some force in it to rub it down. And another thing we notice, after rubbing for a while, the sandbelt rub down kind of fast. So we might have to change it a few times before we even reach nowhere in the room. Because as you can see, I just look part of me reach and the sandbelt start running already. So you do the maths. I take my time and go on to my things still, you know, step by step.
People, boy, yo, me I tell you, the sanding working easy, you know. Yo, big up yourself. Anybody out there, what do them something manually? People, hard work this, you know. On my elbow, my shoulder, everywhere hurt me. Some piece of rubbing we put on, yo, it's what I tell you. And I use something this. I'm a barely to scratch the surface. Right? Because see, that's a part of me start. It seems like it a work still, you know. Because see them look spot yeah? Alright, so they look flashing, look cement droplets in there. Right? So as you can see, enough droplets in there on it. So it seems as if it work. See the other one them right so. But you start over here so still. Mr. People, yo, work man them man, I tell them. Enough work in the Guinea. Enough work. I have to deal with it still at my place. So my place right. I have to do it. So people have to just do what you have to do. I just some look on it. So where it stands right now is a sandpaper. This now go work. So I need to visit the artery again and buy a bigger piece. right? Because I have a wall for cover, right? As you can see, flash up, a lot of flash up, right? And how it stand right now is a little piece of rub down already. This rub down already, and barely even started down yet, right? So I need enough more, man. Yeah, but I just say people in the next video I can update and I make them know, you know, if we reach 100%, I start to know the wall and the passage wall I forgot rub them as well, right? So as you can see, you see the passage wall, you see the video already, we do the passage already, the wall them. This I forgot rub them as well, right? But this is gonna be for our next video, right? All of this I gonna need for rub down because we need prime out in here as well. Yeah. So ceiling, come on. So all in here, so I will need for rub down. But the black method can work in here, so cause this is a much smoother wall, right? Just need the black now to kind of smooth it down better. Yeah. Rough, me I tell you. Rough. Because I feel a mistake that cost me, right? Because as I said, it start with the priming already for the room here. And it have to put on hold because of them good problem here, right? So I'm just moving forward, I'm gonna try my best to watch out for them little foolish here, right? I try my best to watch out for them foolish and can continue and go back and I try to correct mistake and then something that cost me. It is costing me. It's because here we're going people. Things and times change, right? Everything will go sky high, right? Because here we're going. You see, as the US currency go up, everything in Jamaica up as well, right? I don't know, so money not really have no value like that. All right. So the things about the hardware them kind of expensive right now. I'm telling you. A regular I'm visit the hardware, right? Even just check out a price for something and everything at the sky high. Right? So how it stands right now, I have no time for you spend money, but I really have like that over and over and over for you work my mistake. Right? So I'm gonna try my best, right, for watch out for them little foolish for the work man them do. Alright? Yeah man, yeah, telling the people, you know, worth it. If you go constantly over and over and make corrections, when we could have move forward and have a back ways. Yo, you know, make no sense, people, to be honest. No joke. No joke, people, I'm telling you. Yeah, man. No joke, no sense, people. So, right to know what it stands now. And I gotta start out that, I finish start out that, and I'll give you an update on how it turn out, right? I'll give you an update on how it turn out. And the turn out, how I expect it to turn out. Yeah, do a little follow up and finishing the priming up and something, and you know, do a little video on the paint color of my choice. I want to choose paint out the room and everything. So I don't know where I'm going, people. I have to keep them posted, because I know saying I look for them things and say all the place. Yeah, and I get the comments and people actually out there with care, see all the place I come on. So yeah, man, people, I'm blessing up, man, and bigging up, man, and thanks for showing the support and things, man. Yes, people, I mean, really and truly respect that. Yeah, man. So, peeps, no matter end the video right there, so because we never did anticipate it that'd be a long video, right? Just want to make it know, say, start back, sand out the room and things. So, I'm going to say, people, just continue showing the support. Yeah, man. Just please, for the new viewers, then please, just give the support and subscribe to the channel, you know, continue liking the videos and sharing them. All right? So, people, until next time, I'm out.